EAS on Thursday and north or north-northeast on Friday.
This is a test of the NOAA weather radio system for residents living near the Harris nuclear plant. No action is required. This is only a test. This test is conducted in cooperation with Duke Energy, the state of North Carolina, the National Weather Service, and the counties of Chatham, Harnett, Lee, and Wake. This is only a test of the NOAA weather radio system. If this had been an actual emergency, you would have been instructed where to tune in for news and official information. Once again, this is a test of the NOAA weather radio system for residents living near the Harris nuclear plant. No action is required. This is only a test. This test is conducted in cooperation with Duke Energy, the state of North Carolina, the National Weather Service, and the counties of Chatham, Harnett, Lee, and Wake. This is only a test of the NOAA weather radio system. If this had been an actual emergency, you would have been instructed where to tune in for news and official information. This concludes this test of the NOAA weather radio system.
Shearon, the weather radio
for the Northeast